Garage door project, the 2nd of January. I got the moldings out. The one on the, this one is a molding right here, which I represent in front of the 2x6. And the 2x6 is right there. It's halfway off. And you notice at the bottom, it's really rotted right around there. Right around there. So it's all going to come out. Molding is in right next to the garage door. Okay, we're going to start getting this thing out. Well, you know, you can change the bottom, but let's just get another one. That's how it goes.
Huh? Your friends? Your 同学?
同学
Yeah? Oh, good.
同学在 party 学习，
学习?
同学在上学了。
Oh, 上学. But today no school. I think Turkey today open.
Couple of layers over here.
同学在 party 里头，
And the whole thing's out. Look at
同学在 party 里头
It's，a 2x6.
同学在
Well, after a whole day of elbow grease, replacing a 2x4 and a couple of moldings, one in the front, one on the side, and this is the final product. Let me zoom in a little bit. Right there. All that is needed done now is to be painted. This is what happened to the 2x4 after they dry rotted and probably attacked by termites. Look at that.